Hey everybody, this is David with Nature Reigns. I've got another new and exciting product for you that we've been working on for almost 2 years now. So this has probably been the longest running research and development that we've had on a product. And the reason it's taken so long is because there's some new toxins, some heavy metals that we're trying to get after and pull out of the body. What this product does is it attracts the heavy metals and the toxins out of the cells in your body, and then it replaces them with a nutrient, whether it be a vitamin or a mineral or something like that. It bonds to them and helps to move them into the lower intestine and out of the body. And this is something, it's going to be about a 1 to 2 month process. You want to do 2 weeks on, 1 week off, 2 weeks on, 1 week off. We've got some really high quality ingredients that we kind of scoured the earth to find. We've got a fantastic shilajit that comes from the Himalayas. We've got a fulvic and humic acid combination that comes from here in America. And then we have a lot of herbals from India, from South America, from all over the world. So we're really excited to share this product with you. Like I said, probably around the end of January 2021, we're going to be looking for a launch. And we cannot wait to hear what this product has done for you. So please stay tuned. Click on the link down below. Subscribe to our newsletter on our website. Subscribe to our Facebook page and to our YouTube channel, and get the notifications so that you can find out exactly when this product hits the market. Thank you so much for following us. We look forward to speaking with you in the future.